Hi guys, I'm going to be making some pocket letters. Now if you have a paper cutter, that's great. If you don't, you can use a ruler. You can also use a pocket letter that someone has sent to you. You can use an old baseball card or a playing card, the regular size decks, as a template. Now I made one here, and you want it to fit inside these sleeves. So the measurements have to be 2.5 by 3.5. So I cut this one, and I cut a little bit for my liking, and I'm gonna fix it, but I cut too much off of this eye here. So what I did was I used it as a template, and I scored this one so that I won't do that again. And then you can just line up the lines. If you make a mistake, you can always adjust your image. You can make a layer. Oh, I have to cut this one. And you can make like a frame. Now, there are templates out there that you can actually print out that will give you the best use of your cardstock, so you don't waste too much paper. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Not perfect, but it's okay. It's easier when you have the cardstock and you cut it like a plain piece of cardstock. Let me grab some and do that. Make sure this fits in the sleeve. Yeah, okay. 2.5. I think I need a new blade. This one's wonky. Now you want each card to be 3.5. Okay, as you can see, they fit in there nicely. Now this is what I was talking about. If you screw up an image, you could cut it down and have like a little bit of the purple peeking out. You could do multiple layers and have it framed up with different colors peeking through and have your image smaller. So this is what I mean by framing it and having the color peek through. I can fix up these edges, and you can get a pop of color. Another thing you can do too is if you have glue dots or double-sided thick sort of foamy tape and you stick it down, it'll make this pop out and be more 3D. So we'll work on some cards here.